This one Greek philosopher said, a river changes, or a passage changes once you cross it. Like, I'm not quoting it word for word, but it's like, when I first read it, I understood it intellectually, more or less, but not experientially, not with my heart, not with my soul. Um, I've reached a certain level of wisdom where I know what that means experientially. When a river or a passage is just a metaphor for a place, it could be a person, it could be a thing. But in other words, once you go through something, uh, this mind opening, I guess, heart opening as well, you look at it differently. If you learn something from it, then I don't know, then you get grateful, you get wiser from that experience. And if you misinterpret it, if you misunderstood it, then you just become salty and a victim and stay in a low consciousness. So we just crossed this. Uh, it's not a ridge, I don't know what you would call it, but we just crossed this, and we're still by the marsh. I'm walking to the other. Uh, I'm walking to the other overlook point, but I don't know. I've been to swamps in Louisiana, marshes and swamps in Louisiana, Arkansas, and Texas. So in other words, the Gulf Coast area and the greater Gulf Coast. But I didn't know the Mid-Atlantic had this many swampy, marshy areas. I had only been to ones in Southeast Virginia, south of Richmond, but apparently other parts of Mid-Atlantic also have a good amount of swamps and marshes. So what do you know?